In this video, I'll cover how to create a chart in Google Sheets. In this example sheet, I have two columns of data. The first column is time in minutes, and the second column is a count of vehicles. If I want to create a chart using this data, I'll select the entire data range, which in this case is from A1 to B5. Then in the toolbar, I'll click Insert, and then I will scroll down and click Chart. My chart will then appear along with the chart editor on the right hand side. There's two tabs, Setup and Customize. In the Setup tab, I can change the chart type along with other setup factors such as the data range and switching the X and Y axis. Then under the Customize tab is where I can change the look and features of the chart, including the colors, grid lines, including a legend, etc.